These videos are about the dissemination of some information in law. I'm going to do this one on breach of statutory duty. First thing to note is that private law and public law claims can exist, but public law claims are only satisfied by an action in judicial review, and it is only through private law can damages be obtained, which would normally be an action in tort. The main categories of liability are derived from a case Lord Brown Wilkinson spoke in X Miners versus Bedfordshire County Council. 4 categories as follows: actions for breach of duty simpliciter, that is irrespective of carelessness, is the first category. Actions based solely on the careless performance of a statutory duty in the absence of any other common law right of action. The third one is an action based on common law duty of care which arises from the imposition of statutory duty or performance of it. And then the last one is misfeasance in public office, i.e. failure to exercise statutory powers lawfully. I'm going to start with the first one, which is breach of duty simpliciter. This is a case where the defendant, case against the defendant, which alleges a breach of statutory duty and damages that come from the breach. Actions are well established in this matter. And an important example is statutory duty for the protection of a group of workers. Got two case citations: Colour versus Wandsworth Stadium and Lonraro versus Shell Petroleum. I'll go through some of that now. Statutory duty alone does not give rise to a cause of action. Private law case can arise when the construction of statute is designed by construction to impose protection on a limited class of the public. That would mean, for example, employees. And the Parliament intended to confer members of that class private right of action for breach of duty. There was referring to statutory duty. The key point that they're making is just that the class must be protected by the statute, and then you have a private cause of action, providing you can show that the statutory duty was in fact breached with damages from it. 2 cases there to remember: the Cutler versus Wandsworth Stadium, 1949, and Lonraro versus Shell, which is 1982.